This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Cheryl Hickok. Welcome to this ready-to-move and charming home. This home has it all: newer roof and HVAC in 2020. Home has very open floor plan so that when entertaining family and friends, no one is left out. Best convenience is the laundry and primary are on the first floor. Primary has 4 closets and double vanity, so plenty of room for husband and wife stuff. The front room can be used as a flex room. Kitchen has eat-in area that leads out to a nice size backyard area as it's on a corner lot. Huge second bedroom upstairs. Conveniently located in the heart of Greenbrier and to all you will need or want. For more information, review the details below or contact Cheryl Hickok at 757-486-8800.